Today we have a patient from China. She came all the way from China to lower her hairline. The technique that we use is Smart FUE. Lowering hairline is very common when women age within 20 to 35 years old. Today is day 2, lowering hairline. The technique used is Smart FUE. From this anterior point to here is about 2.5 centimeter. From here to here, the anterior point from the glabella to here is 5 centimeter. Coming around this area, we increase the density. This is the forelock area, we increase the density. The slits that we use is lateral slits here or perpendicular slits. And the hairline, the orientation of slit is sagittal. Are you happy?
I'm very happy. Thank you.